Monsoon ride with Kanchana Honda Bigwing. So today we are going towards Shringeri, a Sunday ride. After a long time I'm getting on the motorcycle, back to motorcycle after a break, and let's see how that goes. So I will be riding my one of the favorite motorcycle, which is the 300R.
Wow, he's back.
Yes. Hopefully the weather conditions remains the same. As per the weather report, it's going to be nice rainy day throughout. Yes, we start our ride. A nice monsoon ride. It's a rainy day today. So our route is going to be from here to Padubidri, and then we take a ride towards Padubidri, go towards Karkala, have a breakfast at Renuka, which is one of my favorite hotels, and then from there we head towards SK border and take a turn towards Sringeri. So we've booked a place at Sringeri for our lunch. It's a homestay. Here's a look of our entire fleet. So we are about 34 riders today. Let's show you one by one. So this is the look from the back, and I'll just go ahead also in a while and show you guys the entire fleet. Huh? Look at this bridge here, look at the water, completely filled. You see that beautiful line? That's our riders, Honda riders. Look at the discipline that they maintain, and I keep telling you in every ride of ours, I love to ride with Honda guys is because the kind of discipline that they maintain, and all are very level-headed people, you know. I just love them. So that's a sweep. Now I will give you a complete look of our fleet for the day. So just wanted to shorten the length between the sweep and also our last rider. So just wanted to bridge the gap. So I came back and also wanted to show you guys the entire fleet. So let's do that and get some pace with these boys and ask them to go ahead. I don't want to maintain too much gap between the sweep and the last rider. And there's Kishan doing his photography as usual, one of the best photographers that you can see. And yes, now let's get into the groove. Enough of this place, and yes, so that's our sweep now, Ashwin, and we'll show you the entire fleet. There we have a set of riders. All are well seasoned riders now. They've come for enough and more rides with us. So I've been taking Bigwing Honda guys for ride for more than 2 years, 8 months now, and we've been having a ride every single month. There you see. Two line, maintain 2 line, boys. 2 lines, everybody maintain 2 line. So let me show you the single lane formation of our group now and get to know all the bikers. Dheeraj bhai is here. You see all these riders. That's Mr. Prabhuji. Here comes Sanjay bhai, Siddharth, Sushant. So this is our single lane formation group. I'll show you the entire fleet. So we've got about 34 riders today, 34 bikes in fact, not riders. And in total about 42 members from the ride team, and then in total 48. That includes the backup support and staff. So when it comes to single lane is when the dragon tail becomes too long, and when you have double lane, the advantage is you can shorten your entire distance between the lead rider and the sweep. And when you have the single lane, the distance between the lead and the sweep becomes extremely big. But invariably in such roads you have to do a single lane because it's single road. And now let's show you the entire gang now. So Ashwin, he's our last member, that's the sweep. Now showing you the entire gang, that's our Honda gang. You see all these riders. And this route is also very beautiful because it's full of nice S-turns, C-turns, good road, because these kind of roads keep you always alert, because it's not straight road. You are always alert, you know you need to be on the edge. You see, that's the entire group, beautiful riders. And it's a visual treat. Every time you are on the motorcycle, you see Honda riders, disciplined riders. It's beautiful visual treat that you get. And best part is Monsoon just enhances that experience. And you have so many colors to see because of the raincoats. You have nice fluorescent color, high visibility, raincoats. You have orange raincoat, you have fluorescent color raincoat. It's beautiful visibility. And I'm using my RS Tai Chi riding gear, which is a waterproof riding gear. I just love this riding gear. So I got this riding gear during my Ladakh ride. It's been about 3 years now. And that was our entire fleet. Good morning, कसं काय? Good morning, कसं काय? किती घंटा बोलला तुम्ही? आमक पावस आयलो तशी वी गॉट डिलेड. And here's the team, all of them coming in. And that's the famous Hotel Renuka, which I was talking about. Always happy to be here. And look at the weather out there. It's beautiful. Look at the fog there. It's absolutely fantastic. And let's get into Renuka. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೈ ತಂಗಿಲ್ದಲ್ವ ಉಡ್ಪಾಚಿಲ್ದಲ್ವ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ this is how the food is here. They have all the food. We just come and have what we want. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ